It's your girl Frankie, and I am coming back with you for another episode of Life as a Filmmaker in Chicago. I have made so much progress, and I'm super happy because I started writing the script, and last night I just posted my casting call sheet, and I was surprised that I got a reaction that I did, because you know that I have a budget. I'm using my income tax to invest a small budget into doing the proof of concept. So for that, I have to sign in. Alright, so for my proof of concept, I will be shooting, I narrowed it down to 3 days, but I may not film the full 3 days, but I have an option of doing an extra day if I need to. And I'm excited to have like people already submitting to sign up for the audition. I'm doing a 4-hour slot audition space. I found a great spot that is not too far from me, so I don't have too far to carry my equipment, because I am going to set up like a green screen in the background, and I'm going to have my lights there. And this is so exciting. I only put out the concept of the show. I didn't really go into detail about it. So again, I will reiterate what the concept is. Let me put my stuff on do not disturb, because everybody want to call and everything when I'm doing my video with y'all. So the concept again is a black woman who wins a $2 billion lottery jackpot and decides to invest in space travel. That's all I'm giving right now. I'm not even giving I have the title, but I'm not making it public yet, because I feel like the title will give away a lot. And it'll be kind of controversial, and I'm not in the mood for that at this moment. Oh, it can come when it's ready to come, but right now I want to focus on this. So I am going to show y'all today where I found my locations and how I did my my casting call sheet. And I just been like busy, and I'm excited about this. And these are still the very first steps, because I gave myself enough time. As I told y'all before, I have a child, so my tax is going to be on hold till February 15th. It's not going to release until then. So I made my auditions for after that, and because I could just use my like paycheck money for the spot that I found. And I'm also going to not going to film until March, because I will have it by then for sure. And I planned it after South by Southwest, so me and my brother can go to the festival. He's going for music, I'm going for film. It's just a lot of like great things like lined up, and I feel more prepared that I have all this like planned out. It's planned out, but as you know, things don't always go as planned, but I'm still gonna do my part. So y'all like my little red lips? I put a little lipstick on today. And I put my documentary. So back in 2019, I started filming a documentary about squatters, because my cousin it was on. I actually spent some time in that place, so I was really thinking about submitting that in the American Black Film Festival, the ABFF. But I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I don't know if I do that, because the deadline is February 28th. So I have time to do it, but I never finished editing it. And I'm in the process of doing my series, and I'm trying to not like overdo myself with stuff. But if I'll keep y'all posted if I actually make that happen and submit that in, because I put all that hard work in. I was carrying equipment. It was sometimes I was on the train carrying my stuff, hoping that I did not get robbed. I live in Chicago, and people are nosy. I had them big old bags, but I I've put in a lot of work for that documentary, and I would like it to be seen somewhere. So that'd be nice, because then I can also put that towards the rest of the series. I'm thinking of a budget to okay, so y'all know I'm putting like, I'm just roughly say $1,500 towards making this proof of concept. I found the locations. I have some actors that are willing to like do it. I'm going to keep talking about it, keep posting it, because auditions happen in February. I'm going to wait till like another week or two, and then I'm going to put ads on it so I can get more people to do it. But it's only going to be like Chicago area people, because you're on a budget. I don't have plane tickets for you to come. If you're not already here in Chicago, like, you know, if you're going to be here in March, it's like no point. But for those that are here, I'm going to make sure I get it to many circles as possible. But okay, let's get into it. Okay, so anybody can use Peerspace. I like Peerspace because they have all these locations that you can find and rent to film in, or to have a party or whatever. One scene that I really need is a grocery store. And this is perfect. Look at this. This is an actual grocery store that you can film in certain times a day. We may film at night. We only need a few hours because, like I said, this is the proof of concept. But this is the location I'm looking at right now.